everyone, my name is Naomi. Today I will be sharing a presentation on monkey intelligence. Most people think that monkeys are stupid because they don't understand their screams or gestures. But I think that monkeys are very intelligent because of how they communicate. Monkeys communicate in three special ways: auditory, olfactory, and visual. Monkeys use auditory signals to show their importance. First, they climb high up a tree and they scream. Here is a photo of a monkey showing its importance. Wow, wasn't that an amazing photo? Monkeys also use auditory signals to sound alarm calls. Vervet monkeys also do this. Here is a video of a vervet monkey sounding an alarm call. Wow, wasn't that amazing? There were a lot of clicks in there. Only a smart animal could do that. Now we will talk about olfactory signals. Olfactory signals relate to the sense of smell. Monkeys use scent marking to communicate. To scent mark, monkeys rub scent all over a tree. Now that tree is their territory, and other monkeys know that because of the scent. Here is a picture of a lemur scent marking. Wow, that was pretty gross. But that's how lemurs scent mark. Ring-tailed lemurs also use their scent to do something called stink fighting. To stink fight, lemurs rub scent from their wrists onto their tail. Then they wave their tails back and forth, and the scent drifts to the rival enemy. The enemy smells the scent, and they get warned that they can't come near the lemurs anymore. Here is a video of lemurs stink fighting. Wow, that was pretty gross, but amazing at the same time. Lastly, we have visual signals. Visual signals relate to the sense of sight. Some monkeys, like lemurs, grind their teeth to show threats to other monkeys. Look at this picture right here of a lemur grinding its teeth. Wow, wasn't that an amazing photo? Lastly, we have lip smacking. Lip smacking is when monkeys smack their lips to get hugs. Here is a video of monkeys lip smacking to get hugs. How cute! As you can see, monkeys are very intelligent. They communicate in three special ways: auditory, olfactory, and visual signals. The next time you go to the zoo, think about what the screams you hear from the monkey exhibit mean and how intelligent monkeys are. Here is a photo of Gabon monkeys screaming at a zoo. Thank you for allowing me to share my presentation. Bye.